Hey dudes, I'm going to show you 5 fonts that I actually use on YouTube videos. So the first font is Gothic, which is my branding font for the whole YouTube channel. So I use it on titles and subtitles and many more. It's pretty versatile, so I chose that as my branding font. So the second font is Gothic. I used to use it back in 2013 and I should be using it again because it's a pretty cool font which is condensed unlike Gothic. So the third font is Shortstack. It's a handwritten font that I used to use on my video blogs, but I should be using it again because it's more handmade and a little bit more organic. So the fourth font is used pretty recently. It's Hernandez New, and I use it on my Cladrian Movies playlist. So the fifth font depends on the situation because the 4 fonts are not enough. So yeah, that's the 5 fonts, technically, that I use in my YouTube videos. So anyways dudes, I'm Newecreator, and see you later.